You're probably wondering why I'm sitting on the floor. The last couple of videos I've made, I was shooting from an up angle, and it makes me look like I have a weird chin. So I'm going to try this just for now until, like I said, we get our good camera in. But I wanted to show you some nail polishes I got in the mail today. I was really excited. But before I do that, actually, I want to show you, I have on OPI's Black Shatter, and it's over I Want to Be a Lone Star, which is part of their new Texas collection. And forgive the edges, I was in a big hurry to do it for this video, so I wasn't very careful. And I noticed that on my right hand, the nail polish was a little more wet, and so it crackled slightly in bigger chunks than this hand did, which was more dry. You might not even really be able to tell the difference, but I can. But anyway, this is a Black Shatter bottle, which took me forever to get because everywhere we're sold out. Ulta, Trade Secret, everywhere I called, and I finally talked to this little lady that works at JCPenney's. That's wonderful, and she knows that I'm a big nail polish person, and she held it for me, so I got lucky on that one. And I have it on over I Want to Be a Lone Star, and that is from the Texas collection. But anywho, I'm actually not here to talk about OPI, although I love it. Today in the mail I got the China Glaze Crackles, which are, I guess, the China Glaze version of the Shatter series. And I haven't tried any of them yet, but I'm really excited. They just came in the mail this afternoon, I guess Saturday, since today's President's Day, and the mail doesn't run. But this is how they come, with a little tag that's got instructions on it. And this one is called Black Mesh. And I'm assuming it's similar to the Black Shatter, but again, I'll have to try it, I'm not sure. And the next one I'm really excited to try over a darker color, because that's how most of the people on the blogs did it. And this one is Lightning Bolt. And OPI also has, I don't know if it's out yet or not, but with one of Serena Williams' collections that, I think they're all named after tennis championships, she has a white shatter, in case you can't get to like a Sally's or something to get the China Glaze version. I actually got these. I got all 6 for $24.95 or something on Amazon, and it was actually cheaper just to go ahead and order all of them rather than try to just get the ones I wanted. So I went ahead and did that, and it made shipping a lot cheaper, so that was nice. The third one is really cool. It's called Cracked Concrete. And everybody's so crazy about gray nail polish that I'm pretty sure this one will go over big, but I'm excited to try it. And so the first 3 crackles are more neutral colors, and then the third are kind of fun colors. The first more fun one is called Fault Line, and that's like a very bright purple. I was kind of surprised to see that as a crackle color, but it'll be interesting to try. And then the next one is called Broken Hearted, and that's a hot pink. And then the last one I'm the most excited about, because I'm already a big fan, if you're familiar with the China Glaze brand, of the For Audrey nail polish. And this is exactly the same color as For Audrey, only it's called Crushed Candy. And so that should be a really interesting one to try. And there's already some nail polish blogs out that have really good photographs of how each of these look over different colors, so you might want to kind of Google that and check it out. But the directions say to 1, apply a base coat of nail lacquer and let completely dry, which I guess that's your underneath, so like on mine it would be the blue. And then apply a coat of crackle glaze. Let dry 3 to 5 minutes and seal the design with a top coat. I need to get going on that. I didn't even think about applying a clear coat. That's probably very smart. And so I hope you enjoy it. I hope it kind of helped you to know what is coming out. And if you have any questions, you can leave a note underneath. And later I'll try to make you a silliest video. But also, I wanted to talk about before I left, if you haven't checked it out, if you are interested in any kind of vintage television, check out Retro TV's channel on here. It's completely awesome. I watch it all the time. So anyway, I hope you're having a good President's Day, and maybe I'll see you at the fun video later. Bye.